G'day everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm about to embark on something that if I only have one kid, if my kid was to do or any of my kids' friends to do, I would kick them in the arse. So stick around, find out what it is I'm about to get up to. Roll that intro. Today we are off to Deloraine to meet some other Tassie MotoVloggers. The invitation's been sent out. There may be many, there may be few. I guess we'll wait and find out. But just on that, Squirt, if you're listening, if I ever find out that you met somebody on the internet and then decided to have a catch up, I will kick your ass. Make no bones about it. And any other kids out there. So if this is the last episode of Big Birds, you'll know that things may have gone a little bit pear-shaped. But anyway, let's go to Deloraine and see who waits. Maybe we'll have a beer or two, so let's go. So, who are we expecting to see here today? We're also expecting to see Kimmy and Russ from Kimmy and Russ Adventures. And also Kev from Kev's Capers. There's been a few more invites out, but of course you can never get everybody every time, so there's a few people working and so forth. But hopefully we can plant some foundations today to organise another catch-up and maybe catch up those other few that can't come along. So disappointing that they can't, but such is life. Such is life. Anyway, let's get going. G'day folks. Just got back from Deloraine, where we had the first Tassie MotoVlog, Moto meetup, oh I don't know, whatever it is that we call it. Got to catch up with a couple of other Tasmanian MotoVloggers, which was great to do. But I just wanted to sort of have an outro and say how much I enjoyed it. It was a really great day. It was really good to catch up with Kimmy and Russ from Kimmy and Russ Adventures, and Kev and his wife Fiona from Kev's Capers. So cheers guys, it was great to catch up with you. I ended up having lunch at the pub and a beer or two, and 2.5 hours we natted away there without any gaps in the conversation at all. Yeah, just learning who we all are, I guess. So no, it was a really good day. Look forward to doing it again. So if there's anybody out there that is a Tasmanian motovlogger and we're not aware of you and haven't touched base with you, because we were missing a few for some other commitments because life gets busy, please reach out to myself and or any of the other moto vloggers that were on the show today, and we'd love to meet you and see what it is that you're doing in Tassie, in the moto vlogging field. So it's Sunday night, it's definitely time for a beer, so let's go. Cheers.